Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if your keeps overheating on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click on hold side power button, click on this restart icon, again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to end. Click on general management and click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Click on continue. Again tap on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So just reset all settings. It's not clean and move your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.